Well, in case of a flood like I have here today, um, you know, it's good to be prepped so you can know what to do. So let me have my brother explain a little bit about getting stuff ready so you're not stuck in this much water like I am. Go ahead, Ray. Get on it.
So, my my handgun is a 1911 45, and my preferred choice of long range is a bow, recurve with arrows, because I can remake more arrows. I know how to do that using feathers, sticks, and ligaments from kill, from prey, and I can make more arrowheads using stones. So with that, I feel very confident. Also have throwing knives. I have 2 sets of throwing knives and a throwing hatchet. So that is my long range and short range defense. Also have a shotgun, 12 gauge, and that I shoot slugs with. And we also have, did someone shut that safe again? Anyways, and we also have 38 that the kids know how to use, and we also have a 40, and yeah, we have the judge too, but I think that's in the safe. I don't know, or in the storage shed. But yeah. Oh, and we also have 2 actual samurai swords. And when I say actual, I mean they're real. So, yeah, we have a pretty good defense strategy. And I know people crack on samurai swords, but I mean, when they cut through wet bamboo and real hog hide, and and I also got a cold steel machete. That is, what do you call it? The like a Roman gladius, and that cuts through an actual hog, because I used it once to save my ass. So yeah, that is our home defense. But it pretty much all straps up. The kids know how to use them. Wife knows how to use them. Soon to be ex-wife, but whatever. But as long as you have something that is quick, agile, able to move around, you're able to pack them up between your family members. There's nothing worse than having a full arsenal, and then you have to leave them behind because you can't move them. Because I see so many people with like 20, 30 guns. And they're like, yeah, I got this, I got that, I got this, I got that. And then what happens if they get overrun? What happens if the bottom floor gets burnt and they gotta bail out? What happens if they get pushed out by police or government? You gotta think about this shit. If you gotta bug out and move your shit, you can't pack it all up in an instant. Ours is able to strap up in bags like this. You know, those 2 boxes are quickly able to empty into bug out bags like that. Our tent is under the bed with a handle, you know, and our bigger bags are already in the cars. So, and then the kids already have their bags already ready to go. My 2 outfits are right there, ready to go on hangers. I pick them up and boom. And I empty those out into that bag there or that bag there. So you got to think about shit like that, guys, when you have your bug out bud plan. You know, what medicines I do need are right here in the front. You know, and like I said, I'm trying to limit these medicines right now. So, yeah, those medicines in the back are just repeats that the VA keeps sending me of the front ones right here. So, yeah, that's easy to grab too. So we could be in and out in less than, 6 minutes? I take those, shove them into that bag, put that bag on, grab that bag, throw the 2 uniforms in, dump the other shit in, and I'm out this shit. Grab the tent, get it, and dump the water purification. Always carry water purification shit with you wherever you guys go. Always have backup until you can create some kind of water purification wherever you are. Always. Okay? Another word of advice. Got it?